Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Grace. I'm super excited that you are watching this video. Now on this video, I'll be sharing with you how I make 100k on a monthly basis right here on YouTube. Now, if you are interested in learning how you also can make 100,000 naira right here on YouTube using the strategies I will be sharing, then you want to watch this video till the end. Also, I would want you to subscribe if this is your first time on joining my channel. So welcome. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and also make sure you share so that some other people can learn about how they can also make such an amount for themselves. Now, you would agree with me that it's important right now for us to have so many sources of income since our expenses are like, hey, right? So it's very important that there is need for you to actually make more money on a daily basis, and YouTubing is one thing that you can do to actually make that amount of money that you are looking at on the side. So it does not matter what it is that you are doing, you can actually make more money as a side hustle using YouTube. All right, and I'll be sharing with you how I do this and how you too can do this. Now, before I go into it, you must understand that YouTube is a search engine, right? Now, it is a search engine in the sense that people come on YouTube to actually search for things. So let me know in the comments, have you ever come on YouTube to search for, something? It's possible that you come to search for how to cook, how to, do one or two things, right? Like for me, normally I come on YouTube to search for recipes, how to cook, some things, right? I want to believe that you have done so. Let me know in the comments if you have ever come on YouTube to search for something, right? Let me know in the comments. Now, when you come on YouTube to search for things, right? Now, there is how the thing comes up. Like when you're searching, you just, some videos will just come up like that. Now, even when you are on Google, right, searching on Google, you tend to see some YouTube videos. That is because Google and YouTube are like together. The people that owns Google are the people that owns YouTube. So somehow they are, working together. So if you're able to know how to run your YouTube channel very well, your YouTube channel will also be searchable when people go on YouTube to search for things. It is said, right, that about 50,000 people go on YouTube on a daily basis to search for things. So your videos can actually pop up when they are searching. All right, so now you know this. Now, another thing you need to understand is that YouTube is something that can make you money. Now, for you to actually get monetized on YouTube, before now, there are some requirements that you need to meet. Before now, you need to meet the requirement of having 1,000 subscribers, right? And also 4,000 watch hours. So 4,000 watch hour depends on how much people watches your videos, and 1,000 subscribers, right? That is what you need to meet. Now they have come up with a policy so that everybody can actually make money on YouTube and get monetized. So instead of 1,000 subscribers, right now you can get 500 subscribers and also 3,000 watch hour, right? So you can see that there is a reduction. So the best time for you to actually get started with YouTube is right now. All right, so on YouTube you can actually make tons of money, right, from the comfort of your home, irrespective of what you do. Now, this is something that I do as a side hustle. This is something that you also can do as a side hustle. So how did I get started with YouTube? Well, I was searching on YouTube. I was seeing people's video. Like I said, I used to come search for recipes, to learn how to cook some delicacies and all of that. And while I was doing that, it began to occur to me that I can also, have my videos right here on YouTube, and people will also be searching. right? So I began to ask myself, what are the things that I can comfortably do right here on YouTube using videos? And that is how my channels, started out. Okay, so on this channel I teach everything about making money, business, getting customers, sales, and marketing. I have another channel where I talk about relationship and marriages, right? So with all of this, I began to, see the possibilities of life. There is a coach of mine that would say that, online is our stage. So if we cannot travel overseas, if we cannot go to the abroad, like my brothers and sisters will always say, right? We can very well reach the abroad people using what we are doing right here on YouTube. Because a lot of people from all over the world come to YouTube to search for things, right? So people from America, UK, Asia, and all of that, they come right here to search for things, and they might just be searching what your video is all about. So the first thing you want to do is to actually create a YouTube channel. That was the first thing I did. So I created a YouTube channel and I learned about optimizing my channel. So optimizing your channel helps you to get seen when people come to search for things. So your video pops out when they are searching for, the topic that you have talked about, or the topic that your videos is about. So when you optimize your channel, then it pops out when people come to search for such a thing. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to set up your YouTube channel, then you want to optimize it so that it can always pop up when people are searching for things. Now, the next thing that I did, right, is for me to decide the people I would want to, actually watch my videos. Now, remember I talked about business owners, people looking at making money, people looking for, how to sell their product, how to market their product. That is what I decided that I would do on this channel, right? And my other channel, I decided that I would be talking about marriage, relationships, and all of that. Okay, so what you want to do is to actually decide what your audience will be feeding on, because it is like, a woman that goes into the kitchen to cook for her family. So you want to decide what type of food that your family would want to eat on a daily basis, right? So because you'll be putting out videos, you want to ask yourself, what are the things that people are interested in? All right, so that will determine the people your videos will be going to. So having decided the kind of people you want to, create videos for. Now, well, of course, the kind of people you want to create videos for will mean that maybe you want to talk to housewives, you want to talk to employees, you want to talk to business owner, just like I'm doing right here. You want to talk to, people in marriages, in relationships. You want to talk about making money. You want to talk about, there are a lot of things for you to talk about, right? So, having decided which of these you would be talking about, the next thing is you want to ask yourself, what are the problems that these people will be having? What are the challenges that they will be having? Where in their life are they in right now, and where are they looking to go to? Right? So if I say I am talking to business owners, just like I am doing on this channel, then the one question I ask myself is, what are the problems that business owners are facing? Right? So business owners are looking to sell products, they are looking to market their business, they are looking to make money in their business. So this now forms what videos that I will be sharing on my channel. All right, so if you go through this channel, you will see that all of my videos talk about making money, sales, marketing, product, how to make money in your business, and all of that. And if you check out my other channel, it talks about everything relationship. All right, so you want to decide what is the topic that you will be talking about. Now, you must understand that when you are doing this, because you're starting out at first, it might not be easy. All right, you want to make sure that you are always in the faces of people on a daily basis. That is what I did not do. That's one of the mistakes I did not do using this channel. All right, but going forward on my other channel, what I was began to do was to put out videos on a weekly basis. You want to be consistent with that. Now, another thing that I did, okay, was to, actually have my thumbnails and, my banners up on the channel. This is what people would be seeing when they come to your videos, when they come on your channel, right? It's going to tell them what your videos and channel is about. Now, what I did again that made me, the 100K that I am talking about on this video is that I began to sell products. Okay, so right here on YouTube, you can actually link your shop right here on YouTube. So you have a shop that you can create and put the link right here on YouTube. All right, now another thing you can do is that you can become an affiliate marketer. All right, you can become an affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer is a person that markets product that belongs to other people. So that is one of the things that I do using YouTube, and I'm able to make myself money on a monthly basis. So I affiliate with companies, organizations, and I get the link, come on YouTube and talk about the product that that company is selling, right? So it can be skincare, it can be fashion, it can be softwares, right? So I talk about those products and I put the link in the description so that people can go and get those products. All right, so that is another way for you to make money on YouTube. Now, you would say that, remember I talked about you having 1,000 subscribers and also having 4,000 watch hour. Now, if you check on this channel, this is me making money on YouTube even without getting, the benchmark of the subscribers and the watch hour. Do you understand? I am still making money. So it does not actually mean that without the 1,000 subscribers that you will not make money. This is me telling you that even without reaching 1,000 subscribers and having 4,000 or 3,000 watch hour, you can very well start making money on YouTube if you are ready to put in the work. So get affiliated and begin to talk about it on your YouTube channel and link it up to the organization so that they can, through your link, buy the product and you will very well make money. Also, another thing you can do is to sell your own product. All right, is to sell your own product. So you bake, for instance, you sell fashion items, for instance, you sell kitchen utensils, for instance, you sell whatever it is, digital product, for instance, whatever it is that you sell, you can very well sell that here on YouTube. All you have to do is talk about it and direct people to the shop where they can very well buy that product on a monthly basis. All right, so it's daily, right? As long as you are sharing the link to where they can get that product, you are very well selling and making money for yourself. So I've talked about you having a shop right here on YouTube, right, where you leave the link, okay, to your shop on your YouTube channel, and you direct people to the link so that they can very well buy from you. Also affiliating with organizations, and you leave the link and they will go buy your product, those products. And also selling your own product. It can be physical product, it can be digital product, whatever product that you think you can sell, you can very well do that right here using YouTube. So I want you to get started right now. The best time for you to actually start YouTubing is right now, because you have so many advantage, right? People get to know about you, people get to see you, people get to know about your business, about your brand, about your person, right? And also YouTube gets to pay you if you meet the threshold, right? So remember, if I get to my 1,000 subscribers and my 3,000 watch hours, right, YouTube begins to pay me money on a monthly basis. So before I begin to get that, I also make money from my product, from my affiliates that I am doing right now. Now, this is how you can very well comfortably in your house, right, without leaving the business or the job that you're doing. You can very well make money, do this on the side and make money. Now, if you're interested in learning how you can very well start your own YouTube channel, then I want you to state that in the comments and get a link to join my class that I will be hosting in the month of December. Now, you must understand, I know there are some people that will be like, but Grace, I don't like showing my face. Yes, on YouTube, you can have what we call the faceless videos. You can do the faceless video, the faceless YouTube channel. So that is where you have, things on the screen without you talking the way I am talking right now. This is a video that has my face. You can see me face to face, right? Then you can also use graphics and text to run your videos, and people will very well watch that. Now, if you would want to learn how to do all of these gimmicks and all of what I have shared, then you want to state in the comments interested in the class, and I will give you a link to join my class on how to actually aim on YouTube. All right, I will see you again on another video. Now, if you're a business owner, I will leave a video here where I have talked about strategies that will make you money in your business in the year 2024. You want to check that out so that you can begin to practice on those strategies and begin to make money immediately in your business. I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share.